In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of iQOO Z9 Lite 5G. The box of iQOO Z9 Lite 5G looks like this. Here is iQOO branding and Z logo, and the sides looks like this. And coming to the back, if you can see that the model number is iQOO Z9 Lite 5G. It is made in India. The variant which I have ordered is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory, and the color is Mocha brown. And coming to the price mentioned on the box is 15,499, but you can get it under 11k if there is any sale. So without wasting any time, let's open the box. Let's open the seal. Here is the phone. Here is a Mocha brown color. Inside you will get a case, transparent case, and some booklets, and you will get a travel adapter. Here is a cable type A to type C, and also you will get a SIM ejector tool with this. Let's try to turn on the phone. iQOO 5G powered by Android, and let's go through the setup process quickly. And it will ask you to whether you want to copy data from other phone. I don't want to copy. Click on don't copy. If you want, you can sign into your Google account. Otherwise, you can simply click on skip and click on no thanks, accept the terms and conditions. And you have two options. You can select 3-button navigation or gesture navigation. I'm going with the 3-button navigation. Here you can see the OneTouch OS operating system. Click on get started. Once the setup is done, this is how the user interface of iQOO Z9 Lite looks like. The user interface is similar to what you find on the Vivo phones, which runs on OneTouch OS. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Go to settings and scroll all the way down and click on about phone. Here you can see the OneTouch OS 14, and the RAM is 6GB, and you can see the Dimensity 6300 octa-core processor, and the Android version is 14. Let's check if there is any update for the phone. Go back and scroll down, and you will find system update. If there is an update, it will be shown over here. For me, it is showing the system is up to date. Now let's open the camera and let's take some sample photos. Since it is a budget phone, you cannot expect great quality photos from this phone. Here are some photos which I have taken in the artificial lighting. The maximum which it can record is Full HD, that is 1080p. Using the front camera as well as rear camera, the maximum it can record is Full HD videos at 30 fps. Now coming to the physical overview of the phone, this phone has a big display that is 6.56 inches. And coming to the front facing camera, it has a 8 megapixel front facing camera, and at the top you can see the speaker grill. If you can see properly, at the top you have the speaker grill. On the right side you have the power button and volume rockers up and down. At the bottom you have the 3.5mm headphone jack type C port, and on the sides you have the SIM tray. This phone supports dual SIM cards. Here you can see that it is a hybrid SIM slot. You can use 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card, 1 micro SD card. And coming to the back, it has 2 dual camera setup. One is the 50 megapixel main camera, and one is the 2 megapixel depth camera. And here you can see the flash and the iQOO branding. As I said, I have ordered the Mocha brown color. For those who are on budget, you can definitely look at this. It's a decent phone at a affordable price. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.